Welcome back to Ben's Garage. A quick little short video today. We're back on the Range Rover. Now, a well-used car, you can always tell by a worn-out brake pedal. The brake pedal on this car isn't worn out, but I'm going to change it anyway. For these. I know, I've been on AliExpress again. Apparently these don't need screws or anything, so I'm assuming that that's just going to hook on like the brake pedal rubber that's already on the car. So we'll have a quick look at that. One for the accelerator pedal. It should just tidy it up a little bit in there, and we've done some LED light upgrades inside. I've changed the knee light for an LED bulb. I'm just waiting for some bulbs to come so I can do the other side, but all the other bulbs on the interior of the car are pretty much done, apart from the door lights on the back here. And I think there might be some in the door, but we don't often go in the back of the car. So yeah, I'm going to see if we can get these on. It should be quite straightforward. So links are in the description. AliExpress special. They came quite quick actually for AliExpress, but let's see how easy they are to get on. I might have to get the iPhone out to film this because there's not going to be a lot of room in there. So let's get in there and have a quick look. That's that one. I've got an idea this one just clips on over the top of this somehow. Make sure it's got full travel, nothing gets caught on it. The old pedal rubber comes off. There's nothing wrong with this one. When these wear smooth, they always used to be an MOT failure. So just bear that in mind. Obviously I've been out of the MOT game. When was the last time I did an MOT? About 2008, so I'm out of the game a little bit. I don't really know the rules and regulations anymore, but they always used to be a failure if that had worn smooth. It's understandable, isn't it? That's your brakes. If your foot's going to slip off it, you're going to cause problems. Tasteful little upgrade on the pedals. I say the brake one fits on exactly the same as this, so it's got a lip all the way around it. The accelerator fits round. It does slide up a little bit if you push it up, but we'll see how that works in use when we start driving it and that. But yeah, looks quite good. They do a kit where you can get both the pedal rubbers and also the footrest. So if that's your thing, yeah. I don't know if there's any other models of the Range Rover that has those pedals specifically, whether the Autobiography has that style or what, I don't know. Or the Sport or the SVR, I don't really know. But this one's got it now. So what other tasteless accessories should we apply to the Range Rover? No, don't worry, I'm not running out of content, but I like to just sort of tinker with things a little bit. And because the car's running quite nicely at the moment, touch wood, yeah, I think it's quite tasteful. And it serves a purpose. It's got a nice grip on the pedal, and we'll see how we get on with it. So links are in the description. They're quite cheap over on AliExpress. I've got quite fond of AliExpress, if you don't mind waiting a few extra days for shipping. You do tend to save a lot of money on using AliExpress rather than other well-known Land Rover accessory companies. There you go. Job's done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next one. Bye for now.